it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with an unboxing video. And this is for Cheeky Studio. And so these are my May design team goodies to play with. So these are the things that you are going to be seeing me use on my channel and on my social media throughout the month of May. And so I am super excited because I got a few different collections this time. So I have some more options to play around with. And so without further ado, all right, so regular normal packaging, tissue paper. Yes, I save it because I do use it. And I have 3 different kind of sets of goodies to show you today. And so we're going to go kind of quick. I have opened these already just because I wanted to get rid of a little bit of the packaging to kind of help things out here. All right, so this is the wood veneer, and I love her wood veneer because it is a thicker, like more sturdy wood veneer. So it's not a lot of the words that I see coming in collections and packages from different companies are so thin that the minute you handle them, they break or the words bust in half. And so the ones from Cheeky Studio are not that way, which is awesome. So this one just says happy as a lark. Super cute. All right, so very first one, let me open up the ephemera here. This collection, I have the pocket cards as well as the ephemera pack and the flare. And this one is called Midnight Florals. And so this has some really great floral designs to it and a little bit darker color palette. And I really like that. Because this time of year, I'm just going to flip through these as I talk. This time of year, we see everything in these really bright pastel colors for spring and summer. And sometimes I like to create a project that has these much deeper, richer, like look how gorgeous that is, colors in it. So we've got really great kind of reds and pinks and teals and some navy. Super gorgeous designs this time. And look how many cards you get, you guys. There's like a ton. I'm running out of space. And I love ones like this where I can add some journaling or I can add a photo on here. This one is probably my favorite one in the entire thing. So just these kind of paint stroke stripes. Super usable. I love cards like that. I love paper like that. If you know me, you know that I use paper like that often too. Okay, so those are all of the 4x6 cards. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those come in the package. And like I said, this is Midnight Florals. So we have 12 of those. And then in the flare badges, we have 5 of those. So we have that really great stripe, but this one has just a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of a subtle floral in the stripes. And then we also have the other ones, which are all just different florals. So smaller, that really great, beautiful floral kind of arrangement or bouquet. This is a really awesome one, and this is one of my favorite ones from the ephemera pack. So it's got this really great flower blossom, but it goes from green to blue to pink to red, and that is just really cool. I really like that. So those are the flare for Midnight Florals. And then, as always, the ephemera packs from Cheeky Studio are packed with pieces. So it's definitely not stingy. I'm just going to flip through here. There's that floral I was telling you about. So beautiful. Really, really, really great colors. Lots of different sizes of pieces. So you're going to have things that you can layer. I really love all like the vines and twigs and things that come in her collections because they are super usable. Tucking these in behind things or onto doilies, behind the corner of a photo, into a journaling box, anything like that. These are absolutely perfect for. This piece right here, I'll be totally honest with you guys. I'm just going to flip through kind of the rest of these. These are some repeats. Some of these navy vines, those are really cool. This piece right here, I need like 500 of. I love this piece of ephemera. So just kind of the rainbow of colors that match the collection in these little paint swatches. Super, super, super cute. I love this piece. I can't wait to use this. And so that is all for the Midnight Florals. So we have the cards, the flare, and the ephemera pack. And again, that was called Midnight Florals for that one. All right, the next one, let me go ahead and open up this ephemera for you. This one is totally different than the other one and also super, super fun. This one might be my favorite. I don't know if I can pick a favorite. I love all three. All right, this one is called Flamingo Fun. And so, although it does have some really, truly adorable flamingos, it also has a bunch of other really awesome little pieces. So, even if you are not a huge flamingo fan, there's definitely some super cute usable stuff in this collection. So check out these banners. I love those. Can't wait to play along with those. And then you also have some hearts, and these pink ones have that two-tone. There's pineapple, and that comes in yellow and in the dark pink. There is some little like water splashes. There are flowers, watermelon slices. So cute, you guys. So super cute. These are going to be so fun and so bright and colorful for summer. And they go along perfectly with several of the new like summer collections that are coming out from some of the bigger companies like American Crafts. So these are going to be a really great addition to other products that are out there on the market for summer. And then there's also a sequin mix for this one. And so the sequin mix is super pretty. It has some dark pinks, some light pinks, a little bit darker, some pops of like a yellowish gold. Really super pretty. And you can see these a little better in the close-ups. And then there's also flare that goes along with Flamingo Fun. And so there is 6 of these. So we have the pineapple, the watermelon, the flower. This one is my favorite. I love this water splash on there. And then we also have the flamingo with the flowers and then just the plain flamingo. Okay, so that one is all the goodies that I have to go along with Flamingo Fun, which is the second collection. Last but not least, we have the Game On ephemera pack. And so I have the ephemera pack and some sequins. And these are called Sunny Side Up. And so these just have some really great kind of orange, a neutral like cream vanilla color, some ivory, pale yellow, peaches, those types of things. Super pretty sequin mix. And then we have the Game On set. So this is a set that a bunch of us on the design team had specifically asked for because a lot of us have kids that are total gamers. And so this is going to be really, really fun to work with. I'm just going to kind of flip through. We've got Game Boys. We've got little kids, both boys and girls, that have kind of gamer handsets in their hands. And so girls and boys in the pack. Girls always win. Get your game on. We also have the red and the green mushrooms. A bunch of stars. Eat, Sleep, Game, Repeat. I love this one. Ultimate Gamer. Blame It on the Lag. Awesome. I love the font that she picked for these as well. Some of the game consoles. Little hexagon. All kinds of little icons to go along with those kids that I know a bunch of us have that are totally into video games and computer games and that kind of thing. All right, so this one is Game On. The sequins that go with it, Sunny Side Up. And I am super excited to work with all 3 of these collections throughout May. So do make sure that you click like on this video, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of these awesome videos that are coming soon. And I will be back to see you again really soon.